Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to draw polygon. To draw polygon in Draftsight, you can type polygon, press enter, and you need to set for number of sides. I will set into 5 as example. And for center point, I will click here. Now we choose for the corner, press enter again, and then you set for the length. I will set into 5 and press enter. So we create this polygon with side 5 and then for length from the center into corner 5. The other option, you also can choose for side. You can tap polygon again, press enter. I will set into 5 and then click here for the center point. And in there I will use side option. You can tap S, press enter again. We create for the length. I will set into 5 and press enter. So that's it for a basic Draftsight tutorial how to draw polygon. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.